Heads up, in crypto land, the weather is a little right now, right? So one of the things that I do is I use CAT technology. It's chart alert technology, and it links to my tradingview.com account. And what CAT's doing for me is it actually allows me to put on a watch list, and this quantitative trading analytical software triggers a certain indicators when an upward trend is happening or a downward trend, so that I know on a manual trading basis when I would say the weather is looking up for an upward trending scenario. So a lot of people say, well, what's the latest coin? Well, you can't say what's the coin right now. The creator of the CAT technology is Joe, and he has been trading since he was 19 years old. He actually does it for a living. It's who he is. It's his core base of income. You've got to know that he creates software for hedge fund companies. The information that this person has is phenomenal, and this is tools that he uses on a daily basis. So after you get tradingview.com, it opens up. Well, it's not actually TradingView, it's the CAT technology that links to TradingView. But that will open you up to actually jumping on some technology he has in TradeStation. So hit me up, send me questions. I'm here for you. It's amazing. I am an affiliate for Joe's product line, so that I will be making a commission if you purchase the CAT technology. But I wouldn't also be promoting it if I didn't really, truly believe in it. The education is phenomenal. It's going to really get you more in tune, intuition-wise. You're going to see the charts. You can see the fundamentals of the particular coin or asset class you're looking at, and see how it could positively impact or negatively impact the progress of that trend. So this is Trend Trading. I'm Cryptogirl. I'm signing out. This is great talking to you. I'll see you soon. We have webinars every Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday is beginners and Thursday is advanced. Talk to you soon. Check out freecryptoeducation.com. You can go to mytradingscripts.com and get your CAT technology now so you can trade with peace of mind.